Hello, how you doing? This is Mari Cruz, bringing the gap between the rich and the poor, coming from the great state of Texas. And I want to talk to you how Gate.io, your gateway to cryptocurrency, is the best exchange that you can use, especially when you want to buy next-gen cryptos. And what is a next-gen crypto? A next-gen crypto are newer coins that have great utility cases that are not listed in bigger in other exchanges. So how do you buy this? First of all, before I buy anything, I want you to show that I have money here, that I've been using this, that I'm today, yield today is 5.43. I don't want to show the asset analysis, but when you want to go and buy any of these coins, all you have to do is go to trade, spot trade, standard, and you choose whatever coin you're going to get. Let's say that I want to buy Jasmine. Okay. So if I want to buy Jasmine, I need USDT. If I already have some Jasmine, you can also buy more Jasmine. But anyway, either sell it. If you have Jasmine, you can sell it. If you have USDT, you can buy it. You can actually start Jasmine if you want to monitor it. If you can see that it has gone down negative 10%. When I see that a coin goes negative 10%, I buy it. And all you have to do once you have USDT, you will go to the buy USDT. You will check limit order. You can say 100% of your USDT. Right now, I have $67 for that USDT. That will give me 964 Jasmine. Then all I will do is go and buy Jasmine using USDT. It tells me that it will give me again the quantity, the price, and then you confirm order. You will add your fund password, and this will change if you don't put the fund password before as soon as possible. Once you set up and add the password, you will confirm and say submit, and then your Jasmine will appear in your account. And then it will appear in your account up here in spot orders. You go here in spot orders, actually not in spot order, in funds overview, and then you will go to spot account, and it will show you in the spot account what coins you have. I don't want to show you that, but I am going to give you my referral link so that you can actually get some perks. This doesn't only help. You know what? They also have great ways to buy all kinds of Bitcoins that you cannot get in other places. If you want to get more of those Shiba Inus, weird coins, you can come here and find them. You have to actually, for example, if I want to buy more things, I'm just going to click simplex, and then more things will appear. If I want to get baby Dutch, I can go baby Dutch. You put here the amount that you want to buy. Let's say that I want to, okay, it will tell you in valid. So I want to put $100. And it shows you which one is the best place to buy it. How many would you get of the digital currency and the fee they're going to charge you. And then you go here and you say, I have read and accepted. And then you purchase Baby Dodge using Buy Crypto. So there are many ways to buy crypto and get the IO from using a credit card, bank transfer. You can send money from one exchange to another. So you can come here and say deposit, and you can actually do deposit, withdrawal, and all you do is state which one are you going to be sending. So if I want to send 100x deposit, which is disabled, of course, I decide to put one of the ones that is disabled. If I want to send Tether here, I would choose deposit. If you want to withdraw, you can click withdraw. If you want to redeem a gate code, you redeem a gate code. Anyway, if you're going to send your Tether, which is a stable coin from, for example, another exchange that I don't want to mention any other exchange, to here, the network that I always use is Strong, TR20, because TR20 charges less fees. So I will come here and send that money here using Tron. There's all kinds of, of ways to send Tether. But again, the one that I prefer is TRC20. Why? Because the gas fees are low. So if you're interested in learning more about Gate.io, I will put my referral link on the description box below. And I think when you join, you get some kind of comprehensive, they have comprehensive protection, efficient trading, stable and reliable since 2013, and a change that lives up to your expectations. Okay, and then shows you some of the markets in the spot and the newly listed coins, the top gainers. Look at this, 238% in 24 hours, guys. You can do a lot with Gate.io, the leaderboard of, I guess this is something else. Anyway, if you want to learn anything about here, please join through my link, and you can actually come here and have some fun using Get.io. They even have a Cryptopedia, voting activities, if you own any on Coin Campaigns collection, Gate Chain, Wallet.io Business, Blog, and Gate Ventures. Explore blockchain industry insights. So you can go to the Cryptopedia and find anything that you want from crypto terms like nodes, of course, hash. See? An answer in computing that can be achieved by blah, 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 blah. Computate. So I'm asking too much. For the Cryptopedia, it's pretty cool because you can actually use this to actually get more information. Bitcoin Gold. What is Bitcoin Gold? You can come here. It is a new token created by a hard fork or the original open source cryptocurrency, which took place on October 24, 2017, with a total issue amount of 21 million. This is not the normal Bitcoin. But like I said here, Get.io has startups, Cryptopedia, and a bunch of other things. You can pay with credit card. It has market price, market trade of big data. You got trade, spot trade, push transaction, flash. This is all the stuff that you can do. You can do liquid mining, which is earning income from fees by providing dual assets liquidity to the market. You can do cloud mining. You can do copy trading. You got news from the app. You got some campaigns, NFTs. If you love NFTs, which are non-fungible tokens, which is types of digital art, you can actually also get that here, startups and more. Anything that you think that you need is in Gate.io. So go and hit that like button, subscribe, and if you're interested in getting into Gate.io, which you should, because if you notice, I am making money here, go to the link that I will put in the description box below. Take care. This is Mari Cruz, bridging the gap between the rich and the poor, coming from the great state of Texas. Take care.